Question 1. The Rukmini Devi Arundale is associated with the revival of which classical dance form? A. Kathak, B. Bharatnatyam, C. Manipuri, D. Odissi. Answer is B. Bharatnatyam. Question 2. The Margi style of dance as mentioned in ancient texts refers to A. Regional folk dance, B. Temple dance only, C. Classical dance with spiritual aim, D. Court entertainment dance. Answer is C. Classical dance with spiritual aim. Question 3. The Ardhanarishwara motif in Indian art represents A. Vishnu and Lakshmi united, B. Shiva and Parvati united, C. Brahma and Saraswati united, D. Krishna and Radha united. Answer is B. Shiva and Parvati united. Question 4. The Uday Shankar is known for A. Kathak Guru, B. Modern Indian ballet, C. Manipuri exponent, D. Odissi revival. Answer is B. Modern Indian ballet. Question 5. The Gandhara school of art shows maximum influence of which culture? A. Persian, B. Greek, C. Roman, D. Chinese. Answer is B. Greek. Question 6. The Mathura school of art mainly used which material? A. Marble, B. Granite, C. Red sandstone, D. Black basalt. Answer is C. Red sandstone. Question 7. The Ragamala paintings primarily depict A. Royal battles, B. Musical modes personified, C. Village life, D. Buddhist stories. Answer is B. Musical modes personified. Question 8. The Sittana Vasal paintings belong to which religion? A. Hinduism, B. Buddhism, C. Jainism, D. Sikhism. Answer is C. Jainism. Question 9. The Vachana movement influenced which dance tradition indirectly? A. Kathakali, B. Yakshagana, C. Bharatnatyam, D. Chau. Answer is B. Yakshagana. Question 10. The Prambananam temple reliefs influenced which Indian epic dance depictions abroad? A. Ramayana, B. Mahabharata, C. Bhagavata, D. Vedas. Answer is A. Ramayana. Question 11. The Darpana Academy of Performing Arts was founded by A. Mrinalini Sarabhai, B. Sonal Mansingh, C. Yamini Krishnamurti, D. Kelucharan Mohapatra. Answer is A. Mrinalini Sarabhai. Question 12. The Tala system in Indian dance primarily refers to A. Costume, B. Rhythm cycle, C. Facial expression, D. Stage decoration. Answer is B. Rhythm cycle. Question 13. The Abhinay Darpana was authored by A. Bharata, B. Nandikeshwara, C. Kalidasa, D. Patanjali. Answer is B. Nandikeshwara. Question 14. The Angika Abhinaya in classical dance refers to A. Vocal expression, B. Costume, C. Body movements, D. Internal emotion. Answer is C. Body movements. Question 15. The Deccani painting style flourished under which sultanates? A. Delhi Sultanate, B. Bahamani and Deccan Sultanate, C. Mughal Empire, D. Vijayanagara. Answer is B. Bahamani and Deccan Sultanate. Question 16. The Shadanga theory of painting is mentioned in A. Arthashastra, B. Vishnu Dharmottara Purana, C. Manusmriti, D. Mahabharata. Answer is B. Vishnu Dharmottara Purana. Question 17. The Bhuta Kola ritual performance belongs to which state? A. Kerala, B. Karnataka, C. Tamil Nadu, D. Andhra Pradesh. Answer is B. Karnataka. Question 18. The Meenakshi Mandir at Madurai is an example of which architecture? A. Nagara, B. Dravidian, C. Vesara, D. Indo-Islamic. Answer is B. Dravidian. Question 19. The Nritya component in Indian dance combines A. Rhythm and costume, B. Expression and pure dance, C. Pure dance only, D. Acting only. Answer is B. Expression and pure dance. Question 20. The Kriti form in Bharatnatyam was popularized by A. Tyagaraja, B. Tansen, C. Swathi Tirumal, D. Muthuswami Dikshitara. Answer is A. Tyagaraja. Question 21. The Bhimbetka rock shelters are famous for A. Gupta paintings, B. Mughal paintings, C. Prehistoric cave paintings, D. Jain murals. Answer is C. Prehistoric cave paintings. Question 22. The mudras in classical dance mainly symbolize A. Weapons, B. Hand gestures, C. Footwork, D. Headgear. Answer is B. Hand gestures. Question 23. The Guru Kelucharan Mohapatra is associated with which dance? A. Kathak, B. Odissi, C. Manipuri, D. Satriya. Answer is B. Odissi. Question 24. The Bharhut Stupa reliefs belong to which period? A. Mauryan, B. Shunga, C. Gupta, D. Kushana. Answer is B. Shunga. Question 25. The Tara sculpture is prominently found in which Buddhist art? A. Gandhara, B. Pala, C. Mathura, D. Amravati. Answer is B. Pala. Question 26. The Chitrakoot style painting is related to which region? A. Rajasthan, B. Bundelkhand, C. Odisha, D. Bengal. Answer is B. Bundelkhand. Question 27. The Kumbh Mela is closely associated with which art form in temporary architecture? A. Gopuram, B. Mandapa, C. Tent city structures, D. Stupa. Answer is C. Tent city structures. Question 28. The Kalbelia dance is performed by which community? A. Bhil, B. Kalbelia tribe, C. Santhal, D. Gond. Answer is B. Kalbelia tribe. Question 29. The Hoysaleshwara temple at Halibedu belongs to which dynasty? A. Chola, B. Hoysala, C. Pallava, D. Satavahana. Answer is B. Hoysala. Question 30. The Vilambit Laya in dance or music indicates A. Fast tempo, B. Medium tempo, C. Slow tempo, D. Irregular tempo. Answer is C. Slow tempo. Question 31. The Charukeshi is A. Dance posture, B. Raga, C. Temple sculpture, D. Painting school. Answer is B. Raga. Question 32. The Gangai Konda Cholapuram temple was built by A. Rajaraja Chola I, B. Rajendra Chola I, C. Kulottunga Chola, D. Parantaka Chola. Answer is B. Rajendra Chola I. Question 33. The Pala school of painting flourished in which region? A. Bengal and Bihar, B. Gujarat, C. Rajasthan, D. Tamil Nadu. Answer is A. Bengal and Bihar. Question 34. The Sufi influence is clearly visible in which dance tradition? A. Kathak, B. Bharatnatyam, C. Mohiniyattam, D. Kuchipudi. Answer is A. Kathak. Question 35. The Samaveda is closely linked to which performing art element? A. Sculpture, B. Painting, C. Music, D. Architecture. Answer is C. Music. Question 36. The Dashavatara theme is common in which painting style? A. Pattachitra, B. Varli, C. Madhubani, D. Fad. Answer is A. Pattachitra. Question 37. The Gaja Lakshmi motif symbolizes A. War victory, B. Wealth and prosperity, C. Rainfall, D. Agriculture. Answer is B. Wealth and prosperity. Question 38. The Amravati school of art is mainly associated with which religion? A. Jainism, B. Hinduism, C. Buddhism, D. Sikhism. Answer is C. Buddhism. Question 39. The Lepakshi temple is famous for which mural style? A. Mughal, B. Vijayanagara, C. Pala, D. Rajput. Answer is B. Vijayanagara. Question 40. The Padma Subramaniam is associated with which dance? A. Kathak, B. Bharatnatyam, C. Satriya, D. Manipuri. Answer is B. Bharatnatyam. Question 41. The Jorvi culture is known for which art form? A. Cave painting, B. Pottery, C. Bronze sculpture, D. Temple carving. Answer is B. Pottery. Question 42. The Nritya Mudra classification is part of which text tradition? A. Natya Shastra, B. Arthashastra, C. Ramayana, D. Manusmriti. Answer is A. Natya Shastra. Question 43. The Santhal dance is mainly performed in which region? A. Central India, B. Eastern India, C. Southern India, D. Western India. Answer is B. Eastern India. Question 44. The Ellora Kailasa temple was built under which dynasty? A. Gupta, B. Rashtrakuta, C. Maurya, D. Chalukya. Answer is B. Rashtrakuta. Question 45. The Sanchi Torana carvings depict mainly A. Ramayana scenes, B. Jatika tales, C. Mahabharata scenes, D. Vedic rituals. Answer is B. Jatika tales.